Hello students, this is the third video of the set of 4 videos for important board questions from coordinate geometry. Let's start. Show that points 1, 1, minus 1, 5, 7, 9 and 9, 5 are the vertices of a rectangle. Let A 1, 1, B minus 1, 5, C 7, 9 and D 9, 5 be the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. Let's find the length of each side of this quadrilateral. According to distance formula, the distance between two given points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now, to find the length of AB, consider the point A as x1, y1 and the point B as x2, y2, where x1 is 1, y1 equal to 1, x2 equal to minus 1, y2 equal to 5. Therefore, the length of AB is x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 is minus 1, x1 is 1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is 5, y1 is 1. Minus 1, minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 1, 4 square. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 4 into 4, 16. 4 plus 16, root 20. Root 20 can be written as 4 into 5. Root 4 is 2. 2 root 5. Therefore, the length of AB is 2 root 5 units. Now, to find the length of BC, consider the point B as x1, y1 and the point C as x2, y2, where x1 is minus 1, y1 is 5, x2 equal to 7, y2 equal to 9. Therefore, the length of BC is root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 7 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus y2 is 9, y1 is 5. 7 plus 1, 8 square plus 9 minus 5, 4 square. 8 square is 64, 4 square is 16. 64 plus 16, 80. 80 can be written as 16 into 5. Root 16 value is 4. 4 root 5. Therefore, the length of BC is 4 root 5 units. Now, to find length of CD, consider the point C as x1, y1 and the point D as x2, y2, where x1 is equal to 7, y1 is 9, x2 equal to 9, y2 equal to 5. Therefore, the length of CD is root of x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 is 9 minus x1 is 7 plus y2 minus y1. 5 minus 9 whole square. 9 minus 7, 2 square. 5 minus 9, minus 4 square. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16. 4 plus 16, 20. Again, 20 can be written as 4 5s. Root 4 value is 2. 2 root 5. Therefore, the length of CD is 2 root 5 units. Now, to find the length of DA, consider D as x1, y1 and point A as x2, y2, where x1 is 9, y1 equal to 5, x2 equal to 1, y2 equal to 1. Therefore, the length of DA is x2 minus x1 whole square, 1 minus 9 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 5 whole square. 1 minus 9 minus 8 square, 1 minus 5 minus 4 whole square. Minus 8 into minus 8, 64. Minus 4 into minus 4, 16. Root 80. Again, 80 can be written as 16 5. Root 16 value is 4 root 5. Therefore, the length of DA is 4 root 5 units. Similarly, let's find the diagonals AC and BD. To find the length of AC, consider the point A as x1, y1 and C as x2, y2, where x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 7, y2 equal to 9. Therefore, the length of AC is root of x2 minus x1, 7 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 9 minus 1 square. 7 minus 1, 6 square, 9 minus 1, 8 square. 6 square, 6 6 is 36, 8 8 is 64. 36 plus 64, root 100. Root 100 is 10. Therefore, the length of AC is 10 units. And to find the length of BD, consider the point B as x1, y1 and the point D as x2, y2, where x1 is minus 1, y1 is 5, x2 is 9, y2 is 5. Therefore, the length of BD is x2 minus x1, 9 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus 5 whole square. 9 plus 1, 10 square, 5 minus 5, 0 square. 100 plus 0 is 100. 10 units. Therefore, the length of BD is 10 units. Now, observing our results, we see that opposite sides AB and CD have equal lengths of 2 root 5. And the opposite sides BC and DA have equal length of 4 root 5. And the diagonals AC and BD have equal lengths of 10. Here we have obtained a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and two diagonals are equal. Now, hence the given points form a rectangle. Now, I am going to give Few important properties of various types of quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and the diagonals are equal is called a square. A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal and both the diagonals are not equal is called parallelogram. Finally, a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal but both diagonals are not equal is called rhombus. Thank you.